Peace, Ali, coming back at you with another video. And in this video, I want to speak about the universe's response to negative words. So one of the things I want to do more on my channel is speak about some of the so-called popular sayings that are prolificating around the conscious community and spiritual communities. One of the sayings is that you're not supposed to use negative words when speaking to the universe, that you should affirm things in the positive. So instead of saying, I don't want to be broke, you should say, I am healthy and wealthy, or I have an abundance of prosperity, or something like that. So what people are telling you, if you accept that line of thinking, what people are telling you is that the universe is dumb. And if we equate the universe to God or the creator or a higher power, what we're essentially saying is that the universe is ignorant and don't know the difference between one thing and another. Just sit and think about how that sounds. So God or the creator or the universe, if I say I don't want to be broke, because I said don't, all the creator is going to hear is I want to be broke. That is what people are telling you. Now, when I say it like that, it really doesn't make sense. But there are a lot of people that adopt this philosophy and adopt it without questioning anything based on whoever told them, and they take that as a fact. So I'm here to share with you that the universe is not dumb. You can use negative words in your affirmations, that the universe is going to respond in according to whatever your soul's orientation is. The universe responds more on intent and feeling than just the bare language that is coming out your mouth. And a plus degree is you can do all the affirmations, you can do all the rituals, you can do all the magic. But if something is not in your cards, it is not in your cards. That's when acceptance is very much a key on the path to spiritual mastery and just evolution and enlightenment. You have to accept where you are. You have to accept your limitations, accept your weaknesses, and exploit your strengths. So once again, if you're a person that's doing positive affirmations and you find it difficult to come up with the words, I recommend that you just speak in a language that is natural for you. Me personally, I'm big on saying thank you instead of asking. For one thing, I don't sit at the altar and beg and plead and ask for things. But in my opinion, the way it resonates with me, saying thank you for XYZ feels more powerful to me. It's not me insulting the universe. It's not me thinking that the universe is not going to respond if I use negative words. It just makes me feel better to express myself in a form of gratitude when addressing the gods and my ancestors. So this has been Ali. Make sure to visit my newly updated website, salymyers.com. And also, if you're in need of metaphysical tools and supplies, check out our online store, l9shop.com. That's el9shop.com. So until next time, this has been Ali.